Imagine creating a website in minutes. No coding, no design skills, just a few clicks. And it looks amazing. That's what AI website builders are promising right now. But here's the big question. Can AI actually design better websites than humans? Or is it just faster? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI host. Today, we're exploring how AI is reshaping web design, from layout and colors to user experience, and whether machines can really outcreate human designers. AI website builders like Wix, ADI, Durable, and Framer AI use machine learning to generate complete websites in seconds. You describe your business, upload a logo, choose a style, and AI does the rest: layout, text, and even images. It's like having a designer, developer, and copywriter all rolled into one algorithm. The biggest strength of AI is speed and consistency. It can analyze millions of top-performing designs to choose the best color palettes, button placements, and layouts that users actually click on. It also adapts designs automatically for different devices, from phone screens to wide monitors, in seconds. AI doesn't just guess what looks good, it studies user behavior. If people spend more time on a certain design, AI learns from that pattern and applies it to future projects. That means websites designed by AI can be more user-friendly, accessible, and conversion-optimized than many hand-coded ones. But here's the truth. AI still lacks intuition and emotion. A human designer can understand brand personality, storytelling, and subtle emotional cues that AI just can't replicate. AI might be great at structure and efficiency, but humans still bring creativity, empathy, and artistry to the screen. The best designs come when humans and AI work together. AI handles the heavy lifting, layouts, formatting, and testing, while humans focus on ideas, tone, and emotional connection. Think of AI as the assistant that helps designers move faster and think bigger, not the one replacing them. Of course, relying too much on AI can make websites start to look the same. Templates become predictable, originality fades, and every site risks blending into a digital copy-paste world. That's why human creativity is still the secret ingredient that keeps design fresh and authentic. The future isn't about AI replacing designers, it's about enhancing them. Imagine AI tools that understand your brand tone, write your content, and even test your user experience instantly. Designers of the future won't just create layouts. They'll guide intelligent systems to build with them. So what do you think? Would you trust AI to design your next website? Or do you still prefer the human touch? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. AI is transforming how websites are built, but the best designs still come from humans who understand humans. Thanks for watching. Next up, we'll explore, will influencers be replaced by AI avatars? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more AI insights from me, Cynthia. Stay creative and stay curious.